This is our cat. She is so hungry and we want to eat some hamburger and she's asking for it. Let's have a look at this again. oh, oh my gosh, she started eating so actively. This is a real active cat here.